Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app we click on settings. Then here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Wizz and you click here. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.